Today is a special day.
I'm a little scared. Don't worry, Aaron. I'll stay with you. Thank you, Arshia.
Arshia and Aaron are going to school.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we have a new student. His name is Tom.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Tom. I'm Arshia. Hi, Tom, Aaron. Nice to meet you, Arshia, Aaron. Arshia, Tom is sitting alone. Let's talk to him. Hi, Tom. Are you okay? Would you like to play with us? Really? Of course. Friends play together. Thank you. Aaron, catch! Great throw, Tom. Here you go, Arshia. Thank you, Aaron. This is so much fun. We're happy you're our friend. I'm happy too. Aaron, do you like football? It is my favorite game. Look, I found a ball. Let us play together. We can share it. Let us make 2 teams. Tom, you can kick first. Thank you, Aaron. Wow, nice kick, Tom. Thank you, Arshia. Tom, would you like a sandwich? Really? Thank you. Friends always share. Thank you, Arshia. Thank you, Aaron. I'm happy I met you. We're happy too. We are friends now. Best friends.
I'm very happy today
Why, teacher?
because you were kind to your new friend.
Thank you, Arshia. We are happy you're here, Tom. Arshia, your picture is beautiful. Thank you, Tom. Look, I drew all 3 of us. I love it. Goodbye, Arshia. See you tomorrow, Tom. Goodbye, Aaron. See you tomorrow, my friend. Friends make every day happier. Be kind to everyone. Thank you for being my friends. A small act of kindness can make
A new friend for life.